front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening device's settings and hitting Bluetooth over here. Now use this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show. When they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to, select Pair in the pop-up, and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on your connected device and choose Ignore. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!